Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan. Today we got a brand new unboxing. Finally, these things arrived. Oh yes, we got them. Alrighty guys, so before this video gets started, make sure you guys are thumbsing up the video if you guys do like it. Also, please hit the subscribe button because we are cruising to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Also, please don't forget to turn the post notification bells on so you're always notified when another one of my videos gets released. And without further ado, guys, let us get into this unboxing. So, from the box, you already know what these things are. They have already been out for quite a bit, but my shipment did get delayed, so I ended up getting these things in probably about maybe like a week ago or so now. So this is the Maniere Air Jordan 5 in the Dusk colorway. Now, just looking at the box, you can tell it does come in a special box, very similar to the Dawn colorway over here. This is going to be wrapped up in that crushed burgundy color scheme with the Maniere A all over the box, as you can see right there. And then you're going to get your Jumpman logo, and then I think Maniere logo, maybe? No, I guess it's just printed all over the shoe. And then size tag reads Air Jordan 5 Retro SP, black burgundy, and crushed black. So that's what the colorway is going to be. And I got a size 11.5 men, which is a women's size 13. So that's the size tag right there. And as you open up the box, first off, you're going to get greeted with the Maniere printing right here that they do on all of their collaborations with Jordan. Really think that that's a dope look right there. Inside the box, you're also going to get the Maniere A printed paper, as you can tell right there as well. And then as you get into the shoes, man, these things are clean, bro. But I honestly do still think that I do like the Dawn pair a little bit better. Just more of my style personally, because I do like a primarily white, or in that case, it's like a really light gray. But I do like a primarily white shoe. But man, these things are definitely dope. So let us get into this, baby. First off, as you can tell, guys, you are going to get some extra sets of laces. So you're going to get the sail and also a pure white lace right there. So there's the sail, there's the pure white. And then obviously they do come pre-laced with just your standard black laces right there. And same thing as the Dawn pair, this Dusk pair is also going to have some very slight differences. So you're going to get the Jumpman logo on this tongue right there. And then over on the left shoe, you're going to get the Maniere A branding right there on that tongue. Now, I am going to have some overhead cam shots for you guys. So as I talk about this, you are going to get some B-roll of some up-close, more detailed shots. I've been really liking to implement that in my videos recently. So if you guys do enjoy that type of content and that type of view that where I'm like basically unboxing it in front of you guys from an overhead shot, let me know if you like it down below in the comment section. Other than that, guys, pretty much everything else is going to be the same between the two shoes. Now, it's going to be one slight other difference when it comes to the tongue, is you're going to get the Maniere right there on that tongue. And then going back over to the other shoe, you're going to get the Michael Jordan signature. It's just like the same thing with the Dawn colorway. It's the same exact thing, just in the Dusk colorway right here. Now, getting back over to this pair, guys, so it's going to be an all-over black nubuck. It does feel really smooth and nice to the touch, so really good there. My pair, I am noticing that my, quality control is actually pretty good. Don't have many glue stains or anything like that at all on my pair, so very pleased to see that, because I did see online that some people were getting some really messed up pairs, to be honest, with a lot of glue stains, and also the shaping on them was kind of wonky on some people's pairs. But mine turned out pretty darn good. Now, getting back to the shoe, guys, so you're going to have the same thing as the Dawn on this Dusk colorway. You're going to get the Maniere A printing all over the netting right there on the side panels, as well as underneath right on the tongue right there. You're also going to get the Maniere branding all over that sock liner. This is a black sock liner, so you can't tell all that much, but you are going to get it all inside that sock liner, which is really dope. The insoles of this shoe is also going to be printed, or not printed, but actually like a thick stitching with the Nike Air branding on the inside, just like that Dawn colorway as well. So pretty much everything you see here is going to be, as far as the details and the Maniere touches, it's going to be the exact same as the Dawn pair. The only difference that I see that the Maniere branding or details go that's different from this than the Dawn is on the air bubble itself, you're actually going to get the Maniere printed in white lettering right there, right on the air bubble, which is a pretty cool touch. Now, I don't know how this is going to wear, because I do know that some people were saying over some many years, because it does look like it's almost a print. It's not, I can't tell if it's a sticker or if it's like a slight print over that air bubble, but I know some people were saying online that over multiple wears and how like you wear it, and obviously that air unit inside is going to compress and decompress, so over time that Maniere branding might wear off, but I guess that just depends on how much you wear your shoes, and obviously time will tell when it comes to that detail. Other than that, guys, you're going to get an all black Nike Air stitched right on the back tab right there, which I think is pretty cool. It's a nice thick stitching. Not much else, guys. Let's just be completely honest. It is an all black shoe, so some of the details do get lost. Like, for instance, that Nike Air branding on the back and that all black stitch, it does look cool that it's all kind of blacked out, murdered out. However, I really would have preferred if they used some more of the crushed burgundy touches. Like on the shark teeth that you see on the side right here, that nice burgundy hit right there, as well as a nice burgundy hit on the little triangle piece right there. And I really would have loved if they used that dark burgundy for the stitching on the back of that Nike Air right there. I think that really would have set that off and really made it pop, as well as I think that they should have added that crushed burgundy detail to the 23. That is, it doesn't even look like it's stitched. It's actually like a embossing or debossing, whatever you want to say. It does look like that. It's not actually stitched. So hopefully you guys can tell that on the camera right here. Like I said, I'm going to have those overhead shots for you guys, but I really think that they should have probably used that pop of color. Would have really set these things off. Just like the Dawn pair, they used that nice navy blue to it, which I think was really nice. And it really kind of made some of the details stand out and pop, as opposed to an all black shoe. So let's be completely honest. If you're having these things on feet, and if most people don't know about the collaboration, if you know, you know, sort of thing. But if you don't know, you're not even going to really be able to see these details on feet from a little bit of a distance. But other than that, guys, I mean, you're going to get that yellow vintaged out outsole as well that some people don't like. But I really think that with the collab, it does work well. I will say that. It does work well as far as this collab goes, that you got that nice dark pissy outsole is what some people are calling it. It's just a pre-distressed vintage type of outsole. I think it pops on here. It does make it stand out a little bit better. I think since it's a really darker, muted colorway anyway, I think it kind of goes really nice with that. It looks more like a classy type of style, like a fine aged wine with that dark crushed burgundy. So I do think it looks pretty cool. But yeah, let me know, guys. Is this better than the Dawn pair in your opinion? Do you guys like these over the Dawn, or do you like the Dusk pair better? Now, as for sizing, guys, I did go with an 11.5 in men's in this. I do not know how these things are going to run. I did want to downsize a little bit because I have two pairs of 5s, all right? I have the Black Tongue Fire Red 5s and also the Laney 5s. Those are both from 2013. I do have a size 12 in them, and they fit fantastic. However, with the newer Air Jordan 5 models, and especially this, they slimmed down the Air Jordan 5 slightly. So you're not going to get as thick a padding in here, as well as you're not going to get the bulkiness of the ankle. So I figured I would size down. Hopefully they are going to fit. I'll have to update you guys in the future because I have not tried these things on yet, so I don't know exactly how they fit. I just know that 5s generally run a little bit bigger, but if it has that thick padding in it, generally it fits pretty well. So with these, figured I'd have size down. I can't tell you guys to do the same because I haven't tried them on yet. And with all that being said, guys, I hope you did enjoy this unboxing and quick review of the Maniere Air Jordan 5 Dusk colorway. Now, like I said, I really want to know your guys' thoughts and opinions on this collaboration in general as a whole anyway. Just because, like I said, these guys were pretty limited. The Dusk pair, it was the Maniere exclusive pair. So these things do go for a little bit more money than that Dawn pair. Now, I got them for the collection. I don't know if I will keep these. Like I said, I do like the Dawn pair, and I actually have 2 pairs of those. I was actually able to secure 2 pairs from the raffle system. So, yeah, you know, let me know, guys. Let me know. Is this a top tier Maniere collaboration? What is your favorite Maniere collaboration? Do you like the 1, 2, 3, 4, the 12s, or these 5s right here? Let me know all that good stuff down in the comments section. And guys, that's pretty much going to do it for me. So if you did enjoy, make sure you guys are smashing that like button. hit the subscribe if you are new around here. And that's it, guys. So my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Maniere Dusk colorway. We're out. Peace.